yeah, this is her. I'm going to show what it looks like in real time. So if anybody has any doubts, but look, Megan, turn off. Megan, turn on. Doesn't do that. I think it's in the code. I'm going to go back and look at that. Megan, turn off. Megan, turn off. Then she goes back. So I think I might have to lower the turbo angle on this. But I think there's something going on with that op deal. So she has her kinks and she has her bugs right now. We can go back and look at the code in a minute, but I think that's where it's going on at, and it's why I'm sitting there saying that we need to be able to figure out the millets and the array of functions to be able to put more servo to it. Right now, the delay function is blocking any other functions being able to do, so we can be able to go more detail on that. So, yeah.
Sorry, I can't hear you well.
This is our code right here. We go up and we look at it. You can see where the Movi shield is right there. It's going to go through and you're going to be able to see this here is where the servo is put at, and this is going to create some level of intent to the variable there. This is where we attach servo to, and the init.
There is a lot of noise in the room.
In here. This is where you do your call at it, where you put the name in. This is turn on, turn off. This is where I was telling you where the position is. I might probably change that, lower that a little bit, but here is, I need to figure out what's going on here. This is the off switch here, so maybe we need to change something here. Yeah. Anybody wants to know, that's the code that she's being ran off of. You go over here, we can be able to pull up this file here, and we can go to examples. Look, we'll go to examples right here. We can go to its. I'm gonna go right here. Look into the next and see where this is. So yeah, then you're gonna be able to do these. And you can see where you can be able to ask her different questions and so forth, that she can be able to make responses to those questions. We go back up to the file, we can open up examples again, go back down to the Movi shield, go to beginner, we can go to light switch. You can be able to see that in there you can be able to hook it up to an LED, be able to turn on her LEDs functions, and it will work. If we do that, problem is the delays function is going to hold it back if we try to build everything in one code, and the delay function gives us a problem, so we're going to figure out the millis and the array of structures to be able to do anything more with this at the same time. And I figure if we could be able to do that, then we could probably be able to make this doll pretty good. It's just the amount of time I got a project due this week for school, so it's my final project for this class, so I gotta do good on it. And I got some other things that came up, but as soon as I get a few days off from work and not so bound down by everything else, I can be able to try to sit down and try to figure out this millis and this delay of functions issue. So, peace.